The reCONSTRUCTOR is a light-cured kit for filling in damaged nails. Contains mass with peony root extract and liquid for modeling the mass. The white peony root extract contained in the reCONSTRUCTOR mass has been used in ancient medicine for centuries as an anti-inflammatory and soothing agent in the event of discomfort caused by skin irritation. The flavonoids, terpenes, and tannins contained in the extract have an antioxidant effect, protect the proteins important for the skin against free radicals. They improve the color and texture of the skin. Paeonia, gallic acid, and catechine contained in the extract have antibacterial and antifungal properties. Before starting the treatment, make sure that there are no contraindications for reconstructing the nail plate. You must always monitor the condition of the nail after the procedure because the toenails are more prone to all types of infections as they are an ideal environment for the growth of bacteria and fungi. It's recommended to check the condition at the reconstruction site 3 days after the procedure. Changes that are not visible on the day of the procedure may develop in the following days. The translucent reCONSTRUCTOR mass facilitates the observation of the condition of the nail plate. What are the indications for reconstruction? Aesthetic correction of toenails. So, deformed nail after mechanical injury, partial lost or almost no nail plate. The growth of the nail is stopped in length and the nail only grows in thickness. Eliminating toe pain when the toe tip is exposed, when it's not protected by the natural nail. Contraindications for this type of treatment? Cuts and wounds within the reconstruction area, onychomycosis, bacterial infections in the area of the nail, inflammation of the nail shafts. Post-treatment recommendations are extremely important. Hygiene and thorough drying of the treatment site after a water bath. The use of collagen power, regenerating and protecting the microbiome of the skin around the nail. In the case of permanently damaged nails, the growth of which is disturbed, it's recommended to change the reconstruction once a month. The reconstruction should be removed in the podiatry or pedicure office after the time of healing.